Hi and welcome to Abbotsbury Swannery here in Abbotsbury and Dorset. I've just had the most wonderful visit here. If you haven't seen the video, do check that one out. But what I'm going to do now is walk from Abbotsbury Swannery up the hill to St Catherine's Chapel. I've never done it before, it's a new walk to me. I think it's just about a mile and a half. I'll just check the signpost and I'll let you know. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this, so let's go and explore this lovely walk. Well, the signpost doesn't actually say how far it is, but I think it's about a mile or a mile and a half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my running watch and I'll record the distance on there and let you know. So I caught the bus out here from Weymouth. I caught the Jurassic coaster bus out here. There's a couple of them that come out here and they have a good timetable as well, so they're definitely worth getting. And yeah, walked from Abbotsbury to the Swannery, which is about half a mile I think, and now I'm walking from the Swannery up to St Catherine's Chapel. Okay, so it's leading us over a stile into this like wooded area. Let's go and see what about this. I've got brand new trainers on and I'm spotting mud. Such beautiful bird song. This is being recorded at the end of May. Oh wow, gorgeous. This whole area just feels so relaxing. I presume I'm going this way. Oh look, there's the chapel. I can actually see it from down here. Oh, horses. Hello, horses. The sound of crows. That reminds me very much of North Devon. Just heard a couple of other ladies say that as well, who I believe are from North Devon. I used to wake up hearing those when I lived there. Lovely view from here over to the tithe barn and a farm which you can visit. There is an entry fee there. I'm not going to go there today, but I might go there in the future, so do look up for that video. There's the village church. Such a beautiful village. Just acres and acres of countryside. Getting so close now. It's not too steep. It is high, but it's not too steep, if you know what I mean. It's a gradual steep. So I'm going to get some photos and video of this chapel, and while I do that, I'll give you some information about it. St Catherine's Chapel was built in the late 14th century by Abbotsbury Abbey and was dedicated to popular saints in the late medieval England. The hilltop location recalls the monastery of St Catherine on Mount Sinai and suggests that the chapel was a place of pilgrimage. Overlooking the sea, the chapel was used as a beacon, thereby ensuring its survival after the Abbotsbury Abbey was dissolved in 1539. And it's open any reasonable time during daylight hours. Wow, there's a real sense of peace in here, loving the echo as well. You can just feel history oozing from the walls, and you can feel calmness and stillness, and you can hear the buzzing of flies as well. Just gorgeous though. You would think that it would feel really cold in here, but there's a lovely warmth coming through the sunny windows. I don't know if you can see over there, there's a bus struggling up that hill. I can hear it. And that's the Jurassic coaster bus. It is such a scenic trip. I think that one's going out towards West Bay. I've done that one before and it is absolutely beautiful. Definitely, if you're in this area, get an open top bus or a double-decker bus and have yourself a trip across this wonderful countryside. And it'll take you all the way to Weymouth. Let's head out of the churchyard now and see if we can get some great views of Chesil Beach. Chesil Beach is an 18-mile long, 5,000-year-old shingle barrier made of approximately 180 billion pebbles. It's 160 metres wide and runs from West Bay to Portland. It's been described as the finest barrier beach in Europe. When I get to the edge with a view here, I'll turn off the watch and I'll let you know how far the walk was. It really wasn't very far at all. It was very, very pleasant. Oh, that was so nice. Really enjoyed sitting there looking at Chesil Beach. I had to recharge the phone battery because it just died on me basically. Hopefully I got enough footage of Chesil Beach for you. I wanted to stay there a bit longer, but just heard great big rumbles of thunder. And I'm not sure how close I am to a thunderstorm, so I'm heading back down to the village and I'm going to get the next bus. Thanks so much for watching this walk though. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. It's been a lovely walk to make, a lovely video to make, a lovely walk to do. So don't forget to check out my channel, Southwest Sundays, for lots more Southwest England content. And I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and YouTube will tell you when I put the next video up. In the meantime, I've got about 200 other videos that you can check out from all around the southwest of England. So there's bound to be something that you like. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Just a little thing to say, if you're heading from Abbotsbury village, that path there down the side of the spa shop, if you follow that, that'll take you to St Catherine's Chapel, I've just discovered.